Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, very special, super rare. You don't see these around. It's a 1966 Biscayne Post. Got the owner here. Dennis is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Dennis?
Good, very good, Mike.
Man, what a car.
Yeah.
So you don't see these around. You see Impalas and everything else, but these are super rare, especially with a Post.
It's a 1966 Chevy Biscayne Post car.
Yeah.
Big block, 5-speed transmission.
You just put that 5-speed in, right? It's Tremec?
Yep.
Okay.
KO600. It's got a strange 9-inch Ford rear end, brand new. 370 gear.
It's Posi?
35 spline axles. Posi.
Posi, okay.
It's got all Global West suspension under the car, 4-link pan hardball, fully adjustable suspension, tubular upper and lower control arms, QA1 coil over adjustables up front. It's a coil spring rear back half with Q1A shocks adjustable for the rebound.
Stunning
Full
colors.
exhaust, stainless exhaust. It's got Patriot galvanized ceramic headers on it. It is a power brake, disc brake car. Big brake, Wilwood on the back with 12-inch discs, 4-piston caliper, 11-inch in the rear, 12-inch up front.
Wow.
All brand new stainless steel lines. Everything under the car is brand new.
Beautiful.
Red interior.
Stunning color combo.
Split bench seat in the vehicle.
Love that.
It's got custom rally wheels on it with drag ETs on the back. They're
brand new, right?
275/60 15s with a 15x8 custom wheel with poverty caps and chrome dish. Everything is brand new in and around the car.
Beautiful.
Nothing that's used on this car. Everything is brand new.
Beautiful fitment too.
It's just going through the break-in period.
Wow.
New gas tank in the car. Brand new gas tank. The floor is untouchable. It's a virgin floor. The chassis is super clean. No rust on it. And the car is from Charlotte, North Carolina originally.
Very cool. Looks like it's all original metal too.
Super clean car.
Yeah, man. Custom wheel.
Stainless, original stainless.
Custom gauges. What kind of gauges are these?
They're old school. I'm
Really?
gonna probably say they're Sun.
Beautiful. Showing 24,793 miles. Beautiful. Air conditioning. Richmond 5-speed.
Yeah. It's got vintage air conditioning in it.
Brand new stereo. It's not hooked up yet though. Can you pop the hood, Dennis?
Yes, sir.
It's very particular. And gorgeous interior, brand new belts. Beautiful against the red. Gorgeous. So what do we got under the hood? 402?
Big block Chevy 402.
Yeah.
Got aluminum intake.
Serpentine.
Aluminum water pump on it. Serpentine setup. No regular fan belts. It's a serpentine setup. It does have vintage AC, air conditioning in it.
Yeah, nice.
Works. It's cold. It's got a stock Quadra Jet on it too. Works real well. Starts up. Idles good. Works well. And
nice big aluminum radiator.
it's got a Wizard custom radiator in it with Spall 1350 fans.
They're on a thermostat or a switch?
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. That's aluminum.
Yeah, duplane.
Very cool. Brand
Very
new battery.
streetable, very drivable car.
What kind of
Power
wire?
steering.
Painless? Looks like all new wiring. Beautiful. You fire it up?
Sure.
I hear it. Whoa! Dennis, yeah. Sounds nice and lumpy. so good, man.
I gotta tell you, it's a good daily driver.
Can we take it for a ride?
Sure.
Go.
Then we'll head back to my place.
Okay.
What I got?
It is hot. It's at 90 degrees today. Fucking sweating my ass off.
I love these vent windows. So what do you think? What's
Not a squeak out of this car. Jeez.
What's that?
Not a squeak. Nice with the 5-speed, really get up on the highway, you know?
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again for showing us your car. That is beautiful. Thanks again for showing us your car.
Anytime, Mike. Thanks for having me.